As long as you laugh, little with is cool. Previously on Little Wizzies.
Dog, a 10-minute out and I'm invigilator and I do it and dog. Everybody else do this and we still do it so.
Open no bad make you inflator, ball again no.
Wanna go back outside?
You are late for school. Where is the weapon? Oh, you look like that. Come, take off the bag.
Oh, chimpanzee.
Miss no call me so.
Good morning, miss.
Where you coming from?
What a big one. Anybody have no pen? This not work. What type of idiot exam this? Nothing when me study the on the paper. Who write it? Study the table below. Tap your chingo, me see under it.
Chemical formula for H2O. That is the one. HIJKL.
Study the object above. Right now, I'll me see a pair was next. Let's go! 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's secret maths.
Yo, what number? What is it you want to say?
My God! You see that? No man. Can't me one see that. Yeah man, me see that. You see that too, not true? Look, what when? Come take another look. How come the answer depend on the board? So wait, I want to look pan.
Yes, Mr. Principal. Yes. I'll be down there. Just if we don't make any noise in here, we just want to hear one noise up here. Yo, you there? Number 3. What number 1 there? Yo, yeah.
Yeah, I'm bro. Yeah.
Mr. Lover.
Maybe some large in my classroom. Yeah? Are you me to talk to you? Are you me to talk to? Go to the gate. Hello? Who is this? Go. Oh, security.
You don't. Can't leave your paper. No! Please. If you feel that you're going to kill me with it. You know what? Okay. That's why I have to rate my brother, you know. Always got me back.
What do you mean why I'm running out of the class? The boy in my class have chat.
It was at this moment that she knew. She f***ed up.
What could you tell me say boy they found them?
Exam up. Stop writing.
Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe. Little Wizzies.